what's buzzing in the world of innovation and finance. The pace of change is relentless, and staying ahead means knowing what's next right now. Today, we're diving deep into some seismic shifts that could redefine industries. From groundbreaking partnerships in AI hardware to market-moving financial plays, if it's making waves, we're covering it. Get ready for the updates you absolutely cannot afford to miss. First up, a colossal collaboration is set to shake up the AI chip world. We're talking about a multi-billion-dollar deal that could change the game for artificial intelligence development. Then, we'll shift gears to the markets, dissecting the stocks that are currently grabbing everyone's attention with some surprising moves and critical insights. Following that, we'll explore the deeper strategic implications of that massive AI chip deal. What does it mean for the future of the entire semiconductor sector? And finally, we're looking at the broader trend of custom AI chip makers and how this partnership signals a major tectonic shift in the AI hardware landscape. Stick around, because you're about to get the inside track on what matters most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. A new era in AI hardware dawns. A monumental deal has been struck, poised to reshape the very foundation of artificial intelligence development. OpenAI, a leader in AI research and development, has reportedly inked a massive agreement with Broadcom, a titan in the semiconductor industry, valued at an astonishing $10 billion. This collaboration is not just another partnership. It's a strategic alignment aimed at revolutionizing the production of AI chips, the critical components powering the next generation of intelligent systems. The sheer scale of this investment underscores the immense demand and the race to secure cutting-edge hardware capabilities in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. The implications of this $10 billion pact between OpenAI and Broadcom are far-reaching, signaling a significant pivot in how advanced AI hardware is designed and manufactured. Traditionally, major AI players have relied on existing chip manufacturers, often with limited customization options. However, this deal suggests a move towards bespoke chip creation, tailored specifically to meet the demanding computational needs of OpenAI's complex AI models. Broadcom, with its extensive expertise in chip design and manufacturing, is expected to leverage its advanced technologies to produce specialized processors that could offer unprecedented performance and efficiency for AI workloads. This could involve custom silicon designed to accelerate everything from large language model training to real-time inference, pushing the boundaries of what's currently possible. The partnership is likely to focus on developing next-generation AI accelerators that are more powerful, energy-efficient, and cost-effective than current market offerings. For OpenAI, securing a dedicated supply of custom-designed chips means greater control over its hardware roadmap, enabling faster innovation cycles and potentially unlocking new capabilities that were previously constrained by off-the-shelf solutions. This could also translate into a competitive advantage, as they gain access to hardware optimized for their unique software architectures. For Broadcom, this deal represents a substantial expansion into the high-growth AI chip market, diversifying its revenue streams and solidifying its position as a key player in the future of computing. It's a strategic move that could set a new precedent for how AI companies approach their hardware needs, potentially sparking a trend of similar collaborations across the industry. This landmark agreement is already generating significant buzz across the tech and finance communities, with analysts closely watching how this strategic move will impact the broader AI semiconductor sector and the competitive dynamics within it. But what does this mean for the wider market? Stay tuned as we break down the stocks that are making headlines today. Market movers and shakers, stocks on the radar. In a day marked by broader market gains, with the Nasdaq, S&P 500, and Dow Jones all posting solid increases, a select group of stocks captured the intense focus of investors and traders. These companies have demonstrated significant price action and reported key financial results, making them central to daily market discussions and portfolio strategies. Understanding the dynamics behind these stock movements is crucial for navigating today's volatile trading environment. Broadcom, AVGO, emerged as a strong performer, with its stock rising 1.23% to close at $306.10, and even reaching $320.11 in after-hours trading. This surge followed the company's impressive third-quarter earnings report, which revealed revenues of $15.95 billion, exceeding analyst expectations of $15.83 billion. Adjusted earnings per share also came in strong at $1.69, surpassing the anticipated $1.65. This financial strength, coupled with its significant role in the semiconductor industry, places Broadcom firmly on investors' radars, especially in light of its potential involvement in major AI hardware developments. In stark contrast, Lululemon Athletica, Lulu, experienced a significant downturn. Despite a 3.81% rise during regular trading to $206.09, its shares plummeted nearly 16% in after-hours, trading to $173.67. This sharp decline was triggered by mixed second-quarter earnings and a lowered financial outlook for 2025. While revenue slightly missed expectations, the revised guidance for revenue and EPS fell short of analyst consensus, signaling potential headwinds for the athleisure giant. Opendoor Technologies, Open, saw a remarkable surge, jumping 16.18% to close at $5.96 and adding another 3.7% in after-hours trading. This rally was significantly influenced by a substantial share sale by its former CEO, Carrie Wheeler, worth nearly $35 million, following a meme-driven rally that helped the company avoid delisting. DocuSign, Docu, posted a modest gain of 0.45%, closing at $76.24, but experienced a notable 8.2% spike in after-hours, trading to $82.51. This positive movement was fueled by strong second-quarter earnings, with revenue exceeding estimates at $800.64 million and EPS reported at 92 cents, beating the consensus of 84 cents. Lastly, Neonode Inc. Neon faced a dramatic collapse, plummeting 71.38% to $6.16 and continuing its decline in after-hours trading. This steep drop was directly linked to news concerning anticipated proceeds from a patent lawsuit settlement, indicating significant financial implications from the legal proceedings. Qualcomm Pulse rankings highlight Broadcom's growth at the 34th percentile among AI plays, offering a comparative view against industry giants like NVIDIA and AMD. These divergent performances underscore the complex factors influencing stock valuations, from robust earnings and strategic partnerships to revised financial guidance and legal outcomes, demonstrating the dynamic nature of today's investment landscape. These market movements are just one piece of a larger puzzle. Now, let's delve into the strategic implications of that major AI chip announcement. OpenAI and Broadcom forged $10 billion AI chip alliance, strategic implications for the semiconductor sector. The recent announcement of a colossal $10 billion deal between OpenAI and Broadcom marks a pivotal moment for the AI semiconductor industry. This strategic partnership is more than just a financial transaction. It represents a fundamental shift in how advanced AI hardware is conceived, developed, and produced, with profound implications for the entire sector's future trajectory. By aligning forces, these two industry giants are positioning themselves to redefine the competitive landscape, accelerate innovation, and potentially set new industry standards for AI-driven computing power. The core of this strategic alliance lies in the co-development and manufacturing of custom AI chips. OpenAI, at the forefront of artificial intelligence research, requires immense computational power to train and deploy its sophisticated models. Access to specialized, high-performance silicon is paramount to achieving breakthroughs in areas like natural language processing, computer vision, and generative AI. Broadcom, a powerhouse in semiconductor design and manufacturing, brings unparalleled expertise in creating complex integrated circuits. This deal allows OpenAI to bypass the limitations of off-the-shelf hardware, enabling the creation of chips meticulously optimized for its unique AI architectures and workloads. This bespoke approach promises significant gains in performance, efficiency, and scalability, potentially unlocking new levels of AI capability. For Broadcom, this partnership is a strategic coup, securing a massive, long-term contract in the lucrative AI hardware market and bolstering its position against competitors. It signals a move towards deeper integration with AI developers, moving beyond component supply to collaborative innovation. The implications for the broader semiconductor sector are multifaceted. Firstly, it intensifies the focus on custom silicon solutions for AI, potentially spurring other AI companies to seek similar partnerships or invest heavily in their own in-house chip design capabilities. This could lead to increased fragmentation in the market, with specialized chips tailored for specific AI applications becoming more prevalent. Secondly, it places immense pressure on existing AI chip manufacturers, such as NVIDIA, to maintain their technological edge and competitive pricing. The prospect of major AI players having dedicated, custom-designed hardware could challenge the dominance of general-purpose AI accelerators. Thirdly, this collaboration is likely to accelerate the pace of innovation in AI hardware. With direct collaboration between a leading AI research firm and a leading chip manufacturer, the feedback loop for design and optimization is significantly shortened, leading to faster development cycles and more rapid advancements in chip technology. The deal also raises questions about supply chain dynamics and geopolitical considerations, as the production of advanced semiconductors is a complex and often concentrated global endeavor. The ability of OpenAI and Broadcom to effectively manage their supply chain and manufacturing processes will be critical to the success of this ambitious venture. Ultimately, this $10 billion pact is a clear signal that the future of AI is intrinsically linked to the evolution of its underlying hardware, and strategic collaborations of this magnitude are set to drive that evolution. Market observers and industry analysts are keenly observing how this strategic alignment will reshape the competitive dynamics and technological advancements within the AI semiconductor ecosystem. This strategic shift is setting the stage for a new era in hardware. But what does this mean for the broader landscape of AI chipmakers? Custom AI chipmakers on the rise. OpenAI and Broadcom signal a tectonic shift in AI hardware. The landscape of artificial intelligence hardware is undergoing a profound transformation, heralded by the landmark $10 billion collaboration between OpenAI and Broadcom. This isn't just about a single deal. It represents a broader tectonic shift where the demand for specialized, custom-designed AI chips is rapidly escalating, moving the industry away from reliance on general-purpose processors. The emergence of custom chipmakers, fueled by the unique and immense computational needs of cutting-edge AI development, is reshaping how the future of computing will be built. For years, the development of advanced AI models, particularly large language models and complex neural networks, has been bottlenecked by the capabilities of existing semiconductor technology. While companies like NVIDIA have excelled in providing powerful, albeit generalized, AI accelerators, the unique architectural requirements of specific AI research and applications have often necessitated a more tailored approach. OpenAI's decision to partner with Broadcom for custom chip production underscores this growing trend. It signifies a strategic move to gain greater control over their hardware destiny, ensuring that the silicon powering their AI innovations is precisely engineered for optimal performance, efficiency, and scalability. This allows for deep integration between software and hardware, accelerating the pace of discovery and deployment for new AI capabilities. Broadcom's involvement brings to the table its extensive experience in chip design, manufacturing, and supply chain management, making it a formidable partner for such an ambitious undertaking. The implications of this trend extend far beyond OpenAI and Broadcom. It signals a potential paradigm shift where AI companies, from startups to tech giants, will increasingly explore custom silicon. This could involve in-house design teams, strategic partnerships with foundries, or collaborations with specialized chip design firms. The benefits are manifold: enhanced processing speeds for specific AI tasks, reduced power consumption leading to more sustainable AI operations, and potentially lower costs at scale compared to adapting general-purpose hardware. This move also intensifies competition within the semiconductor industry. It challenges established players to innovate faster and offer more specialized solutions, while opening doors for new entrants focused on niche AI hardware markets. The rise of custom AI chip makers suggests a future where hardware is no longer a one-size-fits-all solution, but is intricately designed to meet the specific demands of diverse AI applications, from autonomous vehicles and advanced robotics to personalized medicine and scientific research. This specialization is crucial for pushing the boundaries of AI's potential and ensuring its widespread, efficient adoption across various sectors. The collaboration between OpenAI and Broadcom is a powerful indicator that the era of bespoke AI hardware has officially begun, setting a precedent for innovation and competition in the years to come. The market is abuzz with speculation about how this trend towards custom AI chip development will influence future hardware innovations and the competitive landscape for semiconductor manufacturers. And that wraps up our deep dives for today. But before you go, let's hit the highlights one last time. That's a wrap on today's essential updates. We saw a massive $10 billion AI chip deal between OpenAI and Broadcom set to revolutionize hardware. Broadcom also made headlines with strong earnings, while Lululemon faced a significant stock drop due to revised guidance. We explored the strategic implications of custom AI chips and how this trend signals a major shift in the AI hardware landscape. Don't miss out on the next wave of innovation. Hit that like button, subscribe to Qualcomm Pulse for your daily dose of insights, and ring that notification bell so you're always in the know. For more in-depth analysis and market trends, follow us on all our social media platforms. Until next time, stay informed and stay ahead.